Peace be upon you, friends. Welcome back to Speaking History. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of the earliest calculating devices known to humankind, the abacus. Grab a seat and join us as we travel back in time to uncover the rich history of this ancient tool. Our journey begins thousands of years ago, in the cradles of early civilization. Long before the digital age, even before the invention of paper and ink, people needed a way to count, calculate, and keep records. Enter the abacus, a simple yet ingenious device that revolutionized the way our ancestors performed arithmetic. The earliest known use of the abacus dates back to ancient Mesopotamia around 2300 BC. The Sumerians, who inhabited this region, are credited with the invention of the first abacus-like device. These early versions were likely made of clay tablets with grooves where pebbles or beads were moved to perform calculations. As trade and communication flourished between ancient civilizations, the concept of the abacus spread far and wide. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans each developed their own versions of the abacus, adapting it to their numeric systems and needs. One of the most sophisticated and enduring designs of the abacus comes from ancient China. Known as the suanpan, this abacus features rows of beads on a wooden frame, with each row divided into two sections. The suanpan became an essential tool for merchants, scholars, and bureaucrats, and its use has persisted for over a millennium. In the 14th century, the Chinese abacus made its way to Japan, where it evolved into the soroban. The Japanese refined the design, reducing the number of beads per row and creating a more efficient tool for calculations. The soroban is still taught in Japanese schools today, a testament to its enduring utility and cultural significance. The abacus also found its place in the Islamic world during the Golden Age of Islam. Scholars and mathematicians in the Middle East and North Africa utilized the abacus for their scientific and commercial activities. This period saw significant advancements in mathematics and astronomy, with the abacus playing a crucial role. While modern technology has largely replaced the abacus for everyday use, this ancient tool has not been forgotten. Today, the abacus is still used in some educational systems to teach fundamental arithmetic skills. It also features prominently in mental calculation competitions, where experts demonstrate astonishing speed and accuracy. The abacus is more than just a calculating device, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and the quest for knowledge. Its evolution from simple stones and grooves to sophisticated designs reflects the progress of human civilization. As we marvel at modern technology, it's important to remember and appreciate the humble beginnings that paved the way. That's all for today's journey into the history of the abacus. We hope you enjoyed this exploration and gained a deeper appreciation for this remarkable tool. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speaking History for more fascinating stories from our past. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.